Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you can use timelines in Notion. So for this tutorial I've got this simple timeline tracker here, and I am using this timeline tracker to manage my projects. So this is project phase 1, this is project phase 2, and here is project phase 3, and I am managing their timelines. So and it makes it very easy for me to manage their timelines because I never really miss any deadlines using this template. So as you can see, there's the template. The due date is there, and then it also tells you the date and the gap, and it also tells you the status. So this is what I'm using timelines for. I've also got this simple timeline tracker, and I can link it to my calendar as well, but this is the timeline that I am using for. So I'm using timeline in Notion to manage my projects, but you can use it for any other purposes like managing your studies, or if you have any tasks you can set up a timeline for that task so you don't miss it and you get it done on time. So yeah, there are a lot of things that you can use timelines for in Notion. And if you're wondering how to set up a timeline, it's very simple. Go to templates, simply go to templates and search for timeline, and here you get a bunch of templates. I'm using this one, the second one. So yeah, this is how you can set up a timeline in Notion, and as I've told you, you can use it for a lot of purposes. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.